Today's episode is 54's reaction to Akari's snore gets replaced with number block 99's, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
What's up, guys? I'm 54. I'm going to do a reaction video on Akari's snore gets replaced with number block 99 snore, but that serves her from having the most humiliating snore. Anyways, enjoy the reaction.
No.
Take that, Akari. You deserve it, and that's what you get for snoring humiliatingly. Thank goodness this reaction ended. Haha, Akari. You crappy little bozo. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 115.